Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome back in your science class. Today we will do lesson 3. What is the name of this lesson again? Chemical substances and processes. Open page number 33 beta. Open your book. Open your science book, page number 33. Today we will do chemical formula. In previous class we have done the symbol of element. With the help of symbols we will do chemical formula. Listen carefully. Chemical formula of a substance is based on composition of that substance. Means it depends upon the combination of atoms. It indicates the type and number of atoms of each kind present in that substance. It indicates the type and number of atoms. किस तरह का एटम है और उसके कितने एटम हैं. एग्जाम्पल, it indicates the number of atoms of each kind present in that substance. Number of atoms and it indicates the type कि एटम्स कौन से हैं. For example, previously we have taken this example, H2O, water, H2O. It means a water molecule is formed by combining 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. That's why the formula of water is H2O. In this types क्या है? Hydrogen and oxygen. And number of hydrogen 2 and number of oxygen 1. Next, similarly the formula of carbon dioxide. Next example, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is gas or water is liquid. In carbon dioxide, there are atoms of carbon and oxygen. Means type of atoms carbon and oxygen and number of atom carbon 1 oxygen 2. It means in water there is ratio 2:1, but in carbon dioxide there is ratio 1:2. Carbon 1 oxygen 2. It means carbon dioxide is formed by combining 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen. Next, how to write the chemical formula. How to सब कर देते हैं बेटा ये. How to write the chemical formula. In chemical formula of a substance, first of all, write the chemical symbol of all the elements. We will write the chemical symbol of all the elements. And then we will write the number of atoms. You know, element is made up of same kind of atoms. Clear? First of all, for example, HNO3. First of all, nitric acid. For in formula of nitric acid, first of all we will write the element. In nitric acid there is hydrogen, there is nitrogen and oxygen. First of all I have written the symbol of elements. Then how many hydrogen, how many nitrogen and how many oxygen. Clear? Page number 33, last stanza. To write the chemical formula of a substance, the chemical symbol of all the elements are written, and then the number of atom of each element is written as subscripts to the right side. We will write the number of atom on the right side. Suppose hydrogen, this is left side, this is left side and this is right side. Then we will write number of atom on right side. Hydrogen only one. We do not. In hydrogen number of atom 1. It is not necessary to write 1. Nitrogen 1. Then oxygen. There are 3 atom of oxygen. In nitric acid there are 3 atom of oxygen. That's why we will write 3. Nitric acid is formed by chemically combination of hydrogen, 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen and 1 atom and 3 atoms of oxygen. Okay. In book we have given one more example, glucose. This is nitric acid, glucose. Glucose C6H12. Turn your page number 34. These two example is on page number 34. First stanza beta. H12O6. In glucose contain 6 atom of carbon, 12 atom of hydrogen and 6 atom of oxygen. Chemical formula of glucose C6H12O6. Listen, आपने 6 को ऊपर नहीं लिखना. Some student write like this. This is wrong. And some student write like this. This is also wrong. This is right. We will write number of atom on right hand side and on the lower part, not upper part. Clear? Glucose C6H12O6. Next, many substances are made up of positive and negative charge particles. Many substances are made up of positive and negative charge particles. That is called ions. Now we will do ions. Ions means positive charge, negative charge. Many substances are made up of positively means positive, this is the sign of positive, plus sign, and negatively charged particles called ions. Ions are called ions. It means now we will learn how many positive charge and how many negative charge. Let us learn to write the chemical formula of each substance. For this, we need to know the symbol and charges of different types. Listen, when we write chemical formula, we know symbols and ions. We have knowledge of symbol and ions. Clear? See, ions, many substances are made up of positively and negatively charged particles called ions. This is the definition of ion. Now we will do a table of ions. Name of ion, symbol. First of all, sodium. What is the symbol of sodium? Na. There is not given element, there is given ion. Now we will write positive and negative charge. In sodium there are one positive charge. We will write on left hand side, on the upper side. यहाँ मैंने ऊपर लिखा है, केमिकल फॉर्मूला में तो हमने नीचे लिखा था, बट आयंस हमने ऊपर लेने हैं. +1, 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है हमें. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट मैग्नीशियम. Mg. फर्स्ट 2 लिखेंगे, फिर प्लस लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट 2 लिखेंगे, 2 प्लस लिखेंगे. राइट लाइक दिस, 2 प्लस. इट मीन्स पॉजिटिव चार्ज. 2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज. एल्यूमिनियम. Symbol of aluminium Al. We have done. Charge 3 plus. Calcium Ca. Some students, आपके माइंड में ये आ रहा होगा ये +1 +2 ये +3 कैसे पॉसिबल हो गया, कैसे है ये बेटा. This we will do in higher classes. This is not in our 7th standard syllabus, but a little bit knowledge मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ. Listen carefully. We have done atom. The smallest particle of element is called atom. You have done atom. Elements is made by same type of atoms. Clear? In atom there are proton, neutron and electron. Listen beta, this is not in your book. कभी आप सोचो कि बुक में नहीं है. This is not in your book, this is in your higher classes. But आपको थोड़ी सी नॉलेज दे देती हूँ मैं. Atom is made up of proton, neutron and electron. Electron, proton, neutron and electron. Listen, electron. Number of ions is depend upon the electron. Number of electron. Again, electron. This is atom. Electron is present in different shell like this. Then number of ions is depend upon the number of electron in the outermost shell. Clear? This is not in your book, but I have given you a little bit knowledge. Means number of ions depend upon number of electrons, which you have done in higher classes. Okay beta. Calcium Ca2 plus, hydrogen H plus 1, it means copper. What is the symbol of copper? Cu2 plus. Next, iron. What is the symbol of iron? Fe. 2 plus. Zinc. Zn2 plus. Listen बेटा, ये आपको लर्न करने हैं सॉरी, इनकी हेल्प से ही हम फॉर्मूलाज राइट करेंगे. अमोनियम NH4 plus 1. Okay. Next, turn your page, open your page 35. Now we will do number of ions on page 35. Name of ion, symbol. ये पहचान बनानी है ना हमें बेटा. क्लोराइड, क्लोरीन का सिंबल क्या था बेटा? Cl. क्लोराइड के आयंस -1. ये अब नेगेटिव है. पहले हमने पॉजिटिव किए, नाउ नेगेटिव. ऑक्साइड 2 माइनस. हाइड्रोक्साइड OH माइनस. कार्बोनेट CO3. Listen, CO3 2 minus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Nitrate NO3 again minus, it means -1. Acetate CH3 COO minus. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. Yes beta, today you will learn the symbol of ions. Okay. Next, listen, what is the formula of sodium chloride? We have given page number 35, second stanza. In second stanza we have given formula of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride NaCl. Yes beta. Sodium have how many ions? Sodium have +1. And chloride -1. We have done in table. अभी हमने टेबल में किया. Listen, in the name of chemical substance made up of positive and negative ion, the name of positive ion is mentioned first and name of negative ion followed by, I am repeating, name of positive ion is mentioned first followed by name of negative ion. This is negative and this is positive. That's why NaCl. We will write NaCl. यहाँ पर हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया है केमिकल नेम ऑफ कॉमन साल्ट. इसका नेम क्या है? कॉमन साल्ट भी बोलते हैं. सोडियम क्लोराइड को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? कॉमन साल्ट. जो हम साल्ट यूज करते हैं. क्या अनदर नेम ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड? कॉमन साल्ट. क्लियर बेटा? नेम ऑफ पॉजिटिव आयन sodium Na plus is mentioned first and name of negative ion chloride Cl minus is mentioned afterward. ये पहले है, ये बाद में. Clear? We will write NaCl, not we will write Cl Na. हम ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे, हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. पॉजिटिव पहले और नेगेटिव बाद में. ओके बेटा. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा. वी समराइज बिलो द प्रोसीजर फॉलो फॉर राइटिंग द केमिकल फॉर्मूला. नाउ वी विल राइट सम स्टेप्स. 3 steps आर गिवन. देयर आर गिवन 3 steps in our book, page number 35. We have given 3 steps to write the chemical formula. Chemical formula write करने के हमें 3 steps बताए गए हैं बेटा. There are 3 steps. Number 1, symbol of positive and negative ion are written and their charge is written on the top right corner of the symbol. ये first step है. This is the first step. First of all, write the element, symbol of element and their charge. This is the first step. On the top right corner. And second step, what is the second step? Common factor if any is removed in the charges of 2 ions. बेटा ये कह रहे हैं अगर इनमें जैसे ये +1 है और ये -1 है, अगर कोई कॉमन चार्ज है, ये तो 1 1 है, 1 तो किसी पे कैंसिल नहीं होता, कॉमन है ही नहीं इसमें, तो यहाँ तो हमारा नहीं होगा. इसके लिए अगर आप एक और एग्जांपल दे देती हूँ मैं जहां पे आपका कॉमन हो. एग्जांपल 1 में है ये Na+1 and O एक एग्जांपल ये भी दिया हुआ है. ठीक है ना, तो इसमें कोई कॉमन है और ना ही इसमें कोई कॉमन है. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे? अगर कोई कॉमन है तो रिमूव कर देंगे. हमारा तो कोई कॉमन ही नहीं है तो हमें रिमूव करने की जरूरत नहीं, सेम एज इट इज आ जाएगा. सपोज बेटा मैं को एग्जांपल देती हूँ, यहाँ 2 होता और यहाँ 4 होता. अगर यहाँ 2 होता और यहाँ 4 होता तो 2 और 4 आपस में कैंसिल होके क्या हो जाते? 1 2. ऐसे हमने कैंसिल करना होता है. ठीक है, यहाँ तो 1 1 है, कैंसिल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर यहाँ +2 होता और यहाँ 4 होता तो हम कैंसिल कर देते. तो सेकंड स्टैंजा भी सेम रहेगा, सेकंड इसका स्टेप भी सेम है, हमें कैंसिल नहीं करना. थर्ड में क्या करना है हमने? जो जहां आयन्स है वो क्लोरीन के साथ चले जाएंगे, सोडियम के आयन क्लोरीन के साथ चले जाएंगे और क्लोरीन के आयन सोडियम के साथ, यानी कि क्रिस क्रॉस बोलते हैं इसे क्या बोलते हैं? क्रिस क्रॉस. ऐसे चले जाएंगे. तो Na के साथ भी 1 था और Cl के साथ भी 1 था, इसलिए हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या बन गया? NaCl. सपोज यहाँ पे 2 होता, सपोज अब मान लो अगर यहाँ 2 है तो यहाँ 2 लग जाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ तो हमारा 1 है तो ये 1 नहीं रहेगा. तो हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या बन गया? NaCl. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. फर्स्ट स्टेप, symbol of positive and negative ion are written and their charge is written on the top right corner. I have written. In second step, if there is any common factor, then remove the charge of two ions. If there is common factor है तो remove कर देंगे, but there is no any common factor, write as it is. In third step, charges of two ions crisscross and write at the bottom right of symbol of two ions. आयंस को हम नीचे ले जाएंगे, जैसे यहाँ पे ये एग्जांपल है, ये देख लो आप कैसे क्रिस क्रॉस करूंगी मैं, इसको इधर इसको इधर, Na प्लस है तो ये 2 हमारा Na के साथ आ गया और ये 1 हमारा इधर चला गया, और 1 को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. सोडियम ऑक्साइड, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ, this is sodium, this is oxygen, sodium oxide. This is the formula of sodium oxide, and this is the formula of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Now I have done example 1. You will do example 2 and example 3 beta.